141. This is an interior accessible cabin. You see by the two little viewing holes there. As you come in, you see there's plenty of room here for your scooters and or wheelchairs, right? Your bed is either a king or two twins, depending on how you want to set it up. And it's wrapped with cabinetry for all your clothes. It's a virtual, so you do have a look to the outside. So it's an interior virtual accessible cabin, plus a little stool. You have a mini fridge in here, plenty of drawers, teapot. This does light up here. You have two USB, and one European, and a little chair to sit in. And that's what one of the closets look like. This being an accessible cabin, you'll have a zero clearance bathroom. The light right there, meaning you can roll right in. You have a bench to transfer in the shower. You have a little handheld. Toilet's in a good place as well. There's plenty of grab bars. There's a phone as well as an emergency pull if you have issues. You can roll right up to the sink. There's also power in here, which is lower than the rest of the cabin, so you can reach it. So there is your interior with a virtual balcony, accessible cabin. Let us know if you think this is plenty of room. I'll talk to you later. Ciao.